To my channel NCRT 11th class chapter 8 Cell, the unit of life. What is a cell? When you look around, you see both living and non living things. You must have wondered and asked yourself, what is it that makes an organism living, or what is that an inanimate thing does not have, which a living thing has? The answer of this is the presence of the basic unit of life, the cell, in all living organism. What is that makes an organism living? What is that an inanimate thing does not have, which a living thing has? The answer to this is the presence of basic unit of life, the cell, in all living organism. All organisms are composed of cell. Some are compound of single cell, are called unicellular organisms, while other like us, composed of many cells, are called multicellular organisms. What is the cell? Unicellular organisms are capable of independent existence and performing the essential function of life. Anything less than a complete structure of cell does not ensure independent living. Hence, cell is the fundamental structure and function unit of all living organisms. Another one Von Leeuwenhoek first saw and described a live cell. Robert Brown later discovered the nucleus. The invention of the microscope and its improvement, leading to the electron microscope, reveal all the structure detail of the cell. Cell history. In 1838, Matthias Seiden, a German botanist, examined a large number of plants and observed that all plants are composed of different kind of cell, which from tissue of the plant at about the same time. Therefore, Sweden, German zoologists studied different types of animal cell, reported that cell had a thin outer layer which is today known as the plasma membrane. He also concluded, based on his studies on plant tissue, that the presence of cell wall is a unique character of the plant cell. On the basis of the shown, proposed a hypothesis that the bodies of animal and plant are composed of cell and product of cell. Seiden and Son together formulated the cell theory. This theory, however, did not explain as to how new cells were formed. Rudolf Virchow was first explained that cell divided and new cells are formed. From pre-existing cell or sim cellary, he modified the hypothesis of Seiden and Son to give the cell theory a final shape. Cell theory, as understood today, is all living organisms are composed of cell and product of cell. All cells arise from pre-existing cell. An overview of cell. You have earlier observed cell in an onion peel or human cheek cell under the microscope. Let us recall their structure. The onion cell, which is a typical plant cell, has a distant cell wall as its outer boundaries, and just within it is a cell membrane. The cell of the human cheek have an outer membrane as the delimiting structure of the cell. Inside each cell is dense membranes bound structure called nucleus. This nucleus contains the chromosome, which in the turns contain the genetic material. DNA cells that have a membranes bound nuclei are called eukaryotic, whereas cells that lack a membrane bound nucleus are prokaryotic. In both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, a semi fluid matrix cell. Cytoplasm occupies the volume of the cell. The cytoplasm is the main arena of cellular activities in both the plant and animal cell. Various chemical reactions occur in it to keep the cell in the living state. Beside the nucleus, the eukaryotic cells have other membranes bound distant structure called organelle-like. The endoplasmic reticulum (ER), the Golgi complex, lysosome, mitochondria, microbodies, and vacuoles. The prokaryotic cells lack such membranes bound organelles. Rhizosomes are non-membranes bound organelles found in all cells, both eukaryotic as well as the prokaryotic. Within the cell, ribosomes are found not only in the cytoplasm but also within the two organism, chloroplast in plant, and mitochondria or on rough E endoplasmic reticulum. Animal cell contain another non-membrane bound organism called centrosome, which help in the cell division. Cells differ greatly in size, shape, and activities. For example, mycoplasma smallest cell are only 0.3 in length, while bacteria red blood cell round micronumbers, white blood cells amboid columnar epithelium cell long and narrows. Nerve cell branched and long, a tracheate elongated, mesophyll cell and round and oval. Diagram showing different shape of the cell. Could be a 3 to 5. The largest isolate single cell is the egg of an ostrich. Among multicellular organisms, human red blood cells are about 7.0 micron diameter. Nerve cells are some of the longest cells. Cells also vary greatly in their shape. They may be disc-like, polygonal, columnar, cuboid, thread-like, or even irregular. The shape of the cells may vary with the functional they perform. Prokaryotic cells. The prokaryotic cells are represented by the bacterium, blue-green algae, mycoplasma, and like organism. They are generally smaller and multiple more rapidly than the eukaryotic cells. Figure. They may vary greatly in shape and sizes. The four basic shape of bacteria are bacillus, rod-like, cocosaphrical, vibrio, comma, shaped, and spiral beam. The organism of the prokaryotic cell is fundamentally similar, even though prokaryotic exhibit a wide variety of shape and function. All prokaryotic have a cell wall surroundings cell membrane except in mycoplasma. The semi-fluid matrix A filling the cell is the cytoplasm. There is no well-defined nucleus. The genetic material is basically naked, not evolved by a nuclear membrane. In addition to genomic DNA, the single chromosome circular DNA. Many bacteria have a small circular DNA outside the genomic DNA. These smaller DNA are called plasmid. The plasmid DNA confers certain unique pathogenic characters to such a bacteria. One such character is resistance to antibiotic in higher classes. You will be learn that this plasmid DNA used to monitor bacteria transformation with foreign DNA. Nuclear membrane is found in eukaryotic. No organelles like the ones in eukaryotic are found in prokaryotic cells except for ribosome. Prokaryotics have something unique in the form of inclusion. A specialized differentiate from a cell membrane called mesosome is the characteristic of prokaryotic. They are the essential enfolding of cell membranes. Cell evolve it is the modification. Most prokaryotic cells, particularly the bacteria cells, have a chemically complex cell evolve. The cell evolve consists of tightly bound three-layer structure of the outermost galaxy, followed by the cell wall and then the plasma membranes. Although each layer the evolve perform distinct function, they act together as a single protective unit, and bacteria can be classified into two groups on the basis of the difference in the cell evolve and the manner in which they respond to the staining procedure developed by the gram, and those that take up the gram stain and gram positive, and the others that do not are called the gram negative bacteria. Glycolysis differ in composition and thickness among different bacteria. It could be loose sheet called the shiny layer in some, while in other it may be a thick and though called the capsule. The cell determined shape of the cell provided a strong structure support to prevent the bacterium from burst. bursting or collapsing. The plasma membrane is selective primal in nature and interact with the outside world. This membrane is similar structure to that of eukaryote. A special membrane structure is the mesosome, which is performed by the extensive of plasma membranes into the cell. These extensions are in the form of vehicle tubes and lamina. They help in the cell wall formation. DNA replication, distribution, daughter cells. They also help in respiration, secretion process to increase surface area of the plasma membrane. An enzyme contained in some prokaryotic like cyanobacteria. There are the other membranes extensive into the cytoplasm called chromatophore, which contain a pigment. Bacteria cell may be the motile or non-motile. If we motile, they have a thin filamentous extensive from their cell wall called flagella. Bacteria cells arranged in the number of arrangement of flagella. Bacteria flagella is composed of three parts: filamentous hooks, basal bodies. The filamentous is the longest portion and the extend from the cell surface to outside. Beside flagella, pill and phylembins are also surface structure of the bacteria, but do not play the role of motility. The pill are elongated tubular structure made of special protein. The phylembins are small bristle-like fibers sprouting out of cell in some bacteria. They are known to help attach to bacteria to rock in a stream and also to the host tissues. Ribosome and nucleosome bodies in prokaryotic and ribosome are associated with the plasma membranes of the cell. They are about 15 mm 20 mm size, made of 20 substance 50 as 30 unit, which when present together from 17 prokaryotic ribosome are the seat of the proteins. Then a several ribosome may attach to the single mRNA form a chain called prokaryote and polysome ribosome or polymer translate the messenger RNA into protein. Inclusion bodies that reserve material in prokaryotic cells are stored the cytoplasm in the form of inclusion bodies. These are not bound by the any membrane system, life free in the cytoplasm. Poster the granules, cyanobeans, cyclones, granule, and gas vacuoles are found in the blue-green purples, green potassium bacteria, eukaryotic cell. The eukaryote include all the protists, plant, animals, and fungi in the eukaryotic cell. There is an extensive compartments of cytoplasm. Through the presence of membranes-bound organism, eukaryotic cells possess an organism nucleus. With a nucleus evolved in addition, eukaryotic cells have a variety of complex locomotoric cytoskeleton structure. Their genetic material is organized into chromosomes. All eukaryotic cells are not identical plant animal. Cells are different. As the former process cell wall, plagists are large central vacuoles which are absent in animal cell. On the other hand, animal cell have a centriole which are absent in almost all plants. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, plasmodium, mitochondrial nucleus, nucleuses, Golgi aperture, nuclear enveloping, plasma membranes, vacuole middle, lamella, cell wall, mitochondrions, ribosome, chloroplast, cytoplasma, proteasome. Golgi aperture. Microplasma membrane, centriole, plasmatonus, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, nuclear bulb, nucleus. Let us now look at the individual cell organism to understand their structure and function. Cell membrane. The detailed structure of the membranes was studied only after the advent of the electron microscope. In the 1950, meanwhile, the chemical studies on the cell membrane, especially in human red blood cells (RBC), enabled the scientists to reduce the possible structure of plasma membrane. These studies show that the cell membrane is mainly composed lipids protein. The major lipids are the phospholipids that are arranged in a layer also. Lipids are arranged within the membranes with the polar and towards the outer side of the phobic tails towards the inner part of the ensure that the non-polar tail of saturated hydrocarbons is protected from the aqueous environment. In addition to the phospholipid membranes also contain the cholesterol. Later biological investigation clearly reveals that the cell membranes also process the protein carbohydrate. The ratio of proteins lipid varies consist of different cell types. In human beings, the membranes of the erythrocyte approximately 52% of protein and 40% lipid. Depending on the access of extraction member, protein can be classified as an integral, peripheral. Peripheral protein is on the surface membranes, while is the integral protein are partially or totally buried in the membrane. Sugar, proteins, philosophy layer, fluid membranes, model plasma membrane. An improved model of the structure cell membranes was proposed by Singer Nicholson, widely accepted as a fluid Moscow model. According to this, the cause of fluid, the nature of lipid enable lateral movement of protein with the overall barrier. This ability to move within the members is measured as at a fluidicity. The fluid nature of the members is also important from the point of view function like cell growth, formation, intercellular junction, secretion, endocyte cell division, etc. One of the most important functions of plasma membrane is the transport of molecules across. The membranes is a selective permeable some molecules present on the other side. If it many molecules can move briefly across the membranes without any requirement of energy, and this is called a passive transport. Neutral solvent may move across the membrane by the process of simple diffusion along the concentration gradient from higher concentration to the lower. Water may also move across this membrane from higher to lower concentration. Movement of water by diffusion is called osmosis, as the polar molecules cannot pass through the non-polar lipid barrier. They require a carrier protein of the membranes of facilities their transport of across the membranes. A few lines molecules are transported across the members against their concentration gradient from lower to the higher concentration. Such as a transport is an energy dependent process in which ATP is utilized is called an active transporter. Cell wall. As you may recall, a non-living rigid structure called a cell wall forms an outer covering for the plasma membrane of a fungus plant. Cell wall not only gives shape to the cell, protected the cell from mechanical damage and infection. It also helps in cell to cell interaction and provide barrier to undesirable and macromolecules. Algae have cell wall made of the cellulose, galactose, manganese, and mineral like calcium carbonate, while in the other plant it consists of cellulose, hemicellulose, a pectin, and protein. The cell wall of a young plant cell. The primary cell is capable of growth within a gradually dimensions as the cell mature, and the secondary wall is formed on the inner towards the member side of the cell. The middle lamella is a layer mainly of calcium practical which hold glue to different numbering cell together. The cell wall and middle lamella may be traversed by the plasmomester which cannot cytoplasma numbering cell endomembrane system which can of the membranes organism is distinct the terms of the structure and function. Many of these are considered together as an endomembrane system because their functions are coordinated. The endomembrane system include endoplasmic reticulum Golgi complex, lysosome, and vacuole. Since the function of the mitochondria, chloroplast, and protein peroxide are not coordinated with the above compound. These are not considered a part of endomembrane system. The endoplasmic reticulum (ER) electron microscopic study eukaryotic cells reveal the presence of network of reticulum of tiny tubular structures scattered in the cytoplasm. That is called the endoplasmic reticulum (ER). Hence, endoplasmic reticulum divided the intercellular space into two distinct compartments: luminal inside endoplasmic, extraluminal cytoplasmic compartment. The endoplasmic reticulum often show ribosome attached to their outer surface. The endoplasmic reticulum bearing ribosome on their surface is called rough endoplasmic reticulum RER. In the absence of ribosome, they appear smooth and are called smooth endoplasmic reticulum SER. Um, Frequently observed in cells actively involved in protein synthesis and secretion. They are extensive and continuous with the outer membranes of nucleus. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is the major site of synthesis of lipid. In animal cell, lipid like steroid hormones and synthesized SER. Golgi aperture. Camilo Golgi first observed densely stained reticular structure near the nucleus. These were later named Golgi body. After him, they consist of many flat disc-shaped sacs or consistent 0.5 1.5 diameter. These are stacked parallel to each other. Varied number of the consist are present in the Golgi aperture. The Golgi cisterns are concentratedly arranged near the nucleus with distant convexes of the forming nucleus, nuclear pore, rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, cistern. Golgi aperture. Phase concave trans or the maturing phases. The cis and trace phase of the ordinal cell are entirely different but interconnected. The Golgi apertures principally form the functional packaging material to be the delivered either to intercellular target or secreted outer side the cell material to be the packages into the form vesicle from the ER fuse with the cis phases of the Golgi aperture and move towards the maturing phase. This explains why the Golgi apertures remain in close association with the endoplasmic reticulum. A number of proteins synthesized by ribosome on the endoplasmic reticulum are modified in the cistern of Golgi aperture before they are released from its transphase. Golgi aperture is the important site of formation of glycoprotein and glycolipids lysosome. These are membranes boundary bound vesicle structure formed by the process of packaging. In the Golgi aperture, the isolate lysosomal vesicles have been found to very rich in almost all types of hydrolytic enzyme. Hydrolysis, lipids, protease, carbohydrate, autolytic active, and the acidic pH. These enzymes are capable of digesting a carbohydrate, proteins, lipid, and nucleic acid. Vacuoles. The vacuole is the members of bound shape bound in the cytoplasm. Fit contain water, secretive product, and other material not useful for the cell. The vacuole is bound by a single membrane called a tonoplast in the plant cell. The vacuoles can occupy up to 90% of the volume of the cell. In plant, the tonoplast facilitates the transport of number of ions and other material against concentration gradient into the vacuoles. Hence, their concentration is significantly higher in the vacuoles than in the cytoplasm. In amoeba, the contractile vacuole is important for osmoregulation and excretion. In many cells, as a in protest, food vacuoles are formed by the engulfed the food particle. Mitochondria. Mitochondria, unless specialists strain are not easily visible under the microscope. The numbers of mitochondria per cell is variable depending on the logical activity of the cell. In terms of shape or size, also considerable degree of vibrability is observed. Typically, is a saucer shaped or cylindrical, having a diameter average and length 1.0 1.5. Each mitochondria is double outer membrane, inner membrane matrix, inner membrane space crystia. Membranes bound structure with the outer membranes and the inner membrane divided its lumen distinctly into two aqueous compartments, the outer compartment and the inner compartment. The inner compartment is filled with a dense homogeneous substance called the matrix. The outer membranes form the continuous limiting boundaries of the inner membranes form number of infolding called the crystals towards the matrix. The crystals increase the surface area. The two membranes have their own specific enzyme associated with the mitochondria. Function mitochondria are the site of aerobic respiration. They produce cellular energies in the form ATP, hence they are called powerhouses of cell. The matrix also process single circular DNA molecules, a few RNA molecules, ribosomes, compoundment requirement for the synthesis of protein. The mitochondria divided by fusion. Plagists are found in all plant cells and ungulate. These are easily observed under the microscope as they are large. They bear some specific pigment, thus impartment specific color to the plant based on the types of pigment. Plast can be classified into chloroplast and leucoplast. The chloroplast containing chlorophyll, carotenoid pigment, which are responsible for trapping light energy, essential for photosynthesis. In the chromoplast, fat soluble carotenoid pigment like carotene, xanthophylls, other are present. These give the part of the plant or yellow, orange, or red color. These leucoplasts are the colorless plagists of varied shape and size with store and nutrient. Aniloplast store carbohydrate, starch, potato एलोडोप्लास्ट स्टोर ऑयल फैट वेल्सियर है. आउटर मेम्ब्रेन हो गया, इनर मेम्ब्रेन हो गया, ग्रेन्यूल हो गया, थाइलोकाइट, स्टोमा लेमला स्टोमा. The Anidoplast store protein. Majority of the chloroplast of the green plant are found in mesophyll cells of the leaves. These are lens-shaped, oval, spherical, discoid, or even ribbon-like organisms, having variable length 5 or 10, with a 2 or 4. Their number of varies from 1 per cell of the Chlamydos as green algae, 20 or 40% cell mesophyll. Like mitochondria, the chloroplast also double membrane bound of the two. The inner chloroplast membrane is relatively less permeable. The space limited by the inner membranes of the chloroplast is called the stoma. A number of organized flattened membrane sac called the thylakoid are present in the stoma. Thylakoid are arranged in stack like the piles of coins called grana. In the intraguinal thylakoid, in addition, there are flat membranous tubules called a stoma. Lamella connected the thylakoids of the different grana. The membranes of the thylakoid enclose space called lumen. The stoma of the chloroplast containing enzyme required for the synthesis of carbohydrate, a protein. It also contains small double-stranded circular DNA molecules. Ribosome, chlorophyll pigment are present in the thylakoid. The ribosome of the chloroplast are smaller then the cytoplasma ribosome 18s. Ribosome are the granule structure first observed under the electron microscope as a dense particle by Georgia Piller. They are composed of ribonucleic acid RNA, protein, are not surrounded by any membranes. The eukaryotic ribosome 80s, while the prokaryotic ribosome are 70s. Each ribosome has two substrates, larger and smaller substrates. The two substrates 18s ribosome 16 and 14, while that 17s ribosome 15 and 30, hence S70 stand for the sedimentation of conflict. It is that indirectly a measure of the density and size. Both 70s and 80s ribosome are composed of two subunits. Cytoskeleton. An elaborated network of filamentous protein structures consist of microtubules. Microfilamentous intermediate filamentous present in the cytoplasm is collectively referred to as the cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton in all involved in many functions such as the mechanical support, motility, maintenance of the shape of the cell, plasma membrane, peripheral microtubes, tubes, interduct bring central microtubes, uh, radial spoke, central sheath. Section of cilia flagella showing different part, electron microscope. Cilia and flagella are hair-like outgrowth of the cell membrane. Cilia are small structure which work like odor, causing movement of either cell or surrounding fluid. Flagella are completely longer and responsible for cell movement. The prokaryotic bacteria also process flagella, but these are structurally different from that eukaryotic flagella. The electron microscopic study of cilia or the flagella show that they are covered with plasma membrane. Their core part, the axonum, process a number of microtubes running parallel to the long axonome usually has 9 doublet radial arranged peripheral microtubules and a pair of centrally located microtubules. Such an arrangement of axonal microtubules is referred to as the 9 plus 2 arrays. The central tubules are connected by the bridge and is also enclosed by central sheath, which is connected to one of tubules of each peripheral doublet by the radial spoke. Thus, there are 9 radial spokes. The peripheral doubles are also interconnected by linker. Both cilium and flagella emerge from centriole-like structure called the basal bodies, centrosome and centriole. Centrosome is an organelle usually containing two cylindrical structure called centrioles. They are surrounded by the amphiphoron pericentriole materials. Both the centriole in the centrosome lies perpendicular to each other, in which has a organization like caravel. They are made of the 9 evenly shaped peripheral fibers, tubulin protein. Each of the peripheral fibers is triple. The adjective triplet are also linked. The central part of the proximal region of the centriole is also proteinous and alcohol hub, which is connected with the tubules of the peripheral triplet by the radial spoke made of protein. The centriole from the basal body of cilia, flagella, and spindle fiber that gives rise to spindle aperture during cell division in animal cell. Nucleus as cell organism was first described by Robert Brown as early 1831. Later, the material of nucleus stained by the basis days of given the name chromatin by Fleming. Nucleoplasm, nucleus, nuclear floor, nuclear membranes. The interface nucleus of the cell, when it is not dividing, has highly extended and updated nucleoprotein fibers called a chromatin. Nuclear matrix nuclei. Since nucleus electronic microscopic has revealed that the nuclei evolve, which consist of two parallel membranes with a space between 10 and 15 called the perineal space, form a barrier between the material present inside a nucleus and that of cytoplasm. The outer membrane usually remain continue with the endoplasmic reticulum and also bear ribosome on it. At a number of places, the nuclear evolve is interrupted by the minute pores, which are formed by the fusion of its two members. These nuclear pores are the process through which movement of RNA and protein molecules takes place in both direction between the nucleus and cytoplasm. Normally there is only one nucleus per cell. Variation in the number of nuclei are also frequently observed. Can you recollect name of organization that have more than one nucleus per cell? Some mature cell even lack erythrocyte of many mammals and sieve tube of vascular plant. Would you consider these cells as living? The nuclear matrix of nucleoplasma containing nucleus and chromatin. The nuclei are the spherical structure present in the nucleoplast. The containing of it is not a membrane bound structure. It is a site of active ribosome RNA synthesis. Larger and more numerous nuclei are the present in cell actively carrying out protein synthesis. You may recall that the interface nucleus has a loose and distinctive network of nucleoprotein fibers called the chromatin. But during different stage of cell division, cells show structure chromosome in place of the nucleus. Chromatin contain DNA and some basis protein called histone and some non-histone protein and also RNA. A single human cell has approximately 2 meter long thread DNA distributed among its 23 pairs chromosome. You will be study the detail of DNA packaging to in the form of chromosome in class 12th. Every chromosome's visible only dividing cell essentially has a primary concentration of centromere on the side, which disc-shaped structure called chitinophores are present. Centromere hold two chromatid of the chromosome. Based on the position of centromeres, the chromosome can be classified into four types. The metacentric chromosome has a middle centromere forming two equal form of the chromosome. The metacentric chromosome has a centrosome resulting into one shorter arm and one longer arm. In case of arocentric acrosome on the centrosome is situated close to it and forming one extremely short and one very long arm. Whereas the telocentric chromosome has a terminal centromere. Satellite secondary construction centromere short arm centromere long arm. Types of chromosome based on the position of centromeres. Sometimes a few chromosomes have a non-staining secondary const- constructions at as the consist location. This gives the appearance of a small fragment called the satellites. Microbodies. Many members bound minute vesicles called microbodies that contain various enzymes are present in both plant and animal cell. All organisms are made of cells, aggregated cells. Cells vary in capable shape, size, and activities function based on the presence of absence members bound nucleus. Other organism, a hence organism, can be named as a eukaryotic or prokaryotic. A typical eukaryotic cell consists of cell membranes, nucleus, or cytoplasm. Plant cell have a cell wall outside the cell membrane. The plasma membrane is selective membrane and facilitates transport of several molecules. The endoplasmic system include Golgi complex, lysosome, vacuoles. All cells organisms perform different but specific function. Centrosome and centriole form the basal body of cilia, flagella, and facilitate locomotion. In animal cells, centriole also form spindle apertures during cell division. Nucleus contain nuclei chromatin network. It not only control the activities of organism but also play a major role in heredity. Endoplasmic reticulum contain tuberous crystals. They are of two types, rough and smooth. Endoplasmic reticulum helps in the transport of substance, synthesis of protein, lipoprotein, and glycerol. The Golgi body is a membrane of original composed of flattened 6. The secretions of cells are packed in them. Transport from the cells. Lysosome are single membrane structure containing enzyme for digestion of all type of macromolecules. Ribosome are involved in protein synthesis. These occur freely in the cytoplasm or are associated with ER. Mitochondria help in the oxidative philosophical and generation of Indonesia triplet. They are bound by double membranes. The outer membrane is smooth and inner the fold into several crystal. Plagists are pigment containing organelle found in plant cell only. In plant cells, chloroplasts are responsible for trapping light energy essentials for the photosynthesis. The grana plagist is the site of light reaction and the stroma of dark reaction. The green colored plagists are chloroplast which contain chlorophyll, whereas the other colored plagists are chloroplast, which may contain pigment like chromatin, xanthophyll. The nucleus is enclosed by the nucleus evolve a double membrane structure with nucleus pore. The inner membranes enclose this and the chromatin material. These cells structure function unit of life. Thank you for watching.